My name is Wayne Brezinka, and I'm a mixed media visual artist from Nashville, Tennessee. So I am here at Wake Forest to lead students through mixed media workshops and talk about seeing the world differently as I, an artist, does. I've done portraits of Abraham Lincoln, President Barack Obama, George H.W. Bush, RBG. How I portray a leader is no different than how I would portray you or I in a portrait. We're all worthy of being seen, really. Depending upon the subject, I look at that person or scene and try to find objects that pertain back to it. To encapsulate the idea of the workshop is difficult for me to articulate clearly. It's really me being honest and vulnerable about my own story and life and career as an artist, sharing that with the students, inviting them to participate in exercises that hopefully open them up to a greater sense of their core being and less in their head. And also that enables them to better create a piece of art in the end. It's really about setting up a safe environment and holding space for people to feel safe, to create. And once that happens, I mean, it's incredible to see the outcome.